Cuddles. Hi, Cuddles. Oh, she can play with the big dog. There goes Cuddles. And she can play with the pound dog, but the pound dog doesn't like her. That's Jojo the pound dog and Cuddles the bulldog. What is it, Cuddles? Those are my feet. Leave my feet alone. Call her, Crispy.
Cuddles. Cuddles. I can't get up this stairs.
There's a two little babies. They don't Tuddles. Hi, Tuddles. Full of wrinkles. Champion bloodlines. 1 year health guarantee. Likes to get wet in the flowers. She likes to play with those. She takes time to smell the roses. And there she is. She's ready to go home.